Just imagine.
जस्ट इमॅजिन या कार्यावळीत तुमचे सगळ्यांचे स्वागत इष्टानो. आणि सगळ्यात पहिली एक लक्ष मारूया आमच्या या आठवड्याच्या काय प्रमुख घडामोडींचेर.
Regional plan to be thrown open partially by June end. अफामाद असो रिजनल प्लॅन 2021 जून महिन्यात पार्शली म्हणजे वयल्यावयर लोकांक पळोवपाक मेळटलो. प्लॅन विल बी ओपन विथ ग्रीन अँड ब्लू कलर्स इन इट. ब्रावन आणि पर्पल कलराचे एडिशन मागीर जातले. I will color that plan brown and purple after people look it and beat those people black and blue who do not abide by my rules. आमच्या पंजाबी मुंड्यांक कितें जालां, पयलीं विजेंदर सिंग बॉक्सर ड्रग्स घेतला म्हणून सापडलो. आता संत सिंग चटवालाचो चलो विक्रम चटवाल ड्रग्स प्रकरणात सापडला. मागीर पंजाब गव्हर्मेंट हॅड टू बॅन द न्यू मूवी साडा हक विच इज बेस्ड ऑन सम खलिस्तानी मुवमेंट. आमी नकळो कितें ते. आणि हे तुम्ही पळयलां यो यो हनी सिंग येयल्ल्याकूच हे सगळें सुरू जालां. टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट IPL, ऑस्ट्रेलिया टूर, रणजी आणि T20 क्रिकेटी परस सामको बेस्ट अशें सुरेश रैनान उक्तायले आपले मत. रैना हालींच एका क्रिकेट टुर्नामेंटाक आयिल्लो गोंयान. सुरेश फुडें म्हणटा हेल्मेट, पॅड्स, ग्लोव्ज हेंच्या शिवाय खेळप हे खरें कापस्तादाचें काम. रैना चॅलेंजीस क्रिस गेल टू प्ले टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट इन गोवन स्टाईल and stop dancing in Gangnam style. आणि या आठवड्याच्या जस्ट इमॅजिनान डॉक्टर शेखर साळकारान केलो एक असो बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट. मेयर जाल्ल्या उपरांत सुरेंद्र फुर्ताडोन दाखयले आपले असली रंग. म्हयन्यांक 2 पुस्तकां बरयतलो ह्या विष्णू वाघाच्या बंडलांचेर पुंडलीक नायक भडकले. पिळे तेंचे कान भर सभेत. आणि असेंब्लीन सुदीन ढवळीकरान सांगले मगो पक्ष कितले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी जिखपाची मोख दवरता. भावी चीफ मिनिस्टर जावपाची सुदिनाची मोख आसा काय कितें.
जस्ट इमॅजिन. डॉक्टर शेखर साळकारान सैफ अली खानाक धाडली नोटीस. सैफ अली खानान गो गोवा गॉन या त्याच्या फर्स्ट झोंबी हिंदी पिक्चराची ॲडव्हर्टायज केल्या तोंडान सिगार बी धरून. सगळीकडे पोस्टरार सैफ अली खानान तोंडान सिगार धरून तो दिसता. युवा वर्गांक चुकीचे सिग्नल पावतले अशें दोतोरांचें म्हणणें. दोतोर शेखर साळकार फुडें कितें म्हणटा की पळय पिक्चराच्या हिरोइनीन आयटम सॉंग करचे, थोडे फार एक्सपोजूय करचे आनी येता जाल्यार एक्टींग सुद्दां करची. बट सिगार बी धरून पोस्टर तांकां खबर ना सैफ अली हिरो म्हणून.
जस्ट इमॅजिन.
हांव सिगरेट ओडटा.
कर्मा भोग हें आनी कितें आमी आयकता आतां. डॉक्टर तुमी सुद्दां नाटक पळयलां काय म्हणटालो.
हांवें सपोज फाल्यां 10 सिगरेटी ओडल्यो.
10 सिगरेटी? चेन स्मोकर काय कितें तुमी? म्हणजे चेनी बिनी घालून स्मोकिंग करपी चेन ना हरशी.
It is like every time I smoke 10 cigarettes, he smokes 3 cigarettes without touching the cigarette.
आता माझे भांडा फोड करता. आता माझे भांडे फोड.
तो धुंवर जायता तो घेता भितर. Every time at least I am smoking through filter. He takes directly. Then हांव तोंडांसून तो धुंवर सोडटा तो घेता परतो भितर.
आनी कितें डॉक्टर शेअरिंग इज कॅरिंग न्हू.
Actually he doesn't smoke.
हे आनी कितें युटर्न मरे डायरेक्ट हांगा सामको समोरा समोरूच.
म्हजो चान्स जर 10% ऑफ हार्ट अटॅक जावपाचो, ही गेट्स 3% चान्स ऑफ हार्ट अटॅक.
डॉक्टर हांवें केन्ना तुज्या शेअराचेर वांटो धरूंक ना. तुज्या वांट्याचेर केन्नाच हांवें दोळो धरूंक ना. युअर शेअर इज युअर शेअर अनडिस्प्युटेडली. सामकें 10% पळय ते तुजेच.
That means 1/3 chance is there for him without doing anything.
Oh, that was really kind of you, doctor. It was really kind.
Just imagine.
इष्टानो आता बाबूश मोन्सेरात आणि CM मनोहर पर्रीकर सुशेगाद न्हिदपाक शकतले. फायनली CCP इलेक्शन फॉर मेयर अँड डेप्युटी मेयर जाले आणि मेयर इलेक्ट जालो सुरेंद्र फुर्ताड. डेप्युटी कोण तरी बेंटो लॉरेन्स म्हणून जाला. पण there was such a crowd around Babush and Suren that day I couldn't recognize him. Sorry आपण डेप्युटी CCP इलेक्शना पयलीं सुरेंद्र खूब कितें कितें उलयतालो. लायक लग्ना पयलीं कसो न्हवरो कितें कितें आश्वासनां दिता खूब व्हडलें उलयता. Ruth madam was also telling me other day, Surendra is also not an exception for this. He had promised her to give chairmanship of GSIDC before marriage. आता पळया की न्यूली इलेक्टेड मेयर सुरेंद्र फुर्ताडो तसोच असा काय बदलला काय आनीक बरो आला काय आनीक इन आवर स्पेशल प्रेजेंटेशन काउंटर फिट. नमस्कार आणि वेलकम. आफ्टर अ लॉंग टायम आम्ही परत तुमच्या मुखार आयल्या. आमची युअर ओन इंटरव्यू सिरीज काउंटर फिट, दी सिरीज ऑफ नॉनसेन्सगिरी अँड फटिंगपणा. टुडे वी हॅव अ न्यूली इलेक्टेड मेयर ऑफ पणजी, सुरेंद्र फुर्ताडो विथ अस. वेलकम सर. As we can see the first change in Surendra Furtado after becoming mayor, that he has stopped giving his patent and trademark big broad smile. He has stopped smiling. Surendra Bab, my first question, you were the front runner for CCP election as mayor, and today you have become a mayor, you are elected as mayor. How this miracle happened?
I would like to be on the record that Mr. Manohar Parrikar last year had told me that he will want to see me as the mayor of the Panjim city.
That was last year. Did you had any word with CM before going to election or on the election day? Did you had any word with CM Parrikar?
I had 4 special meetings with Mr. Manohar Parrikar.
Just before going to election on April 4, you had meeting. What did CM Parrikar told you in that meeting?
You scratch my back, I scratch your back.
Yeah, scratching the back is very important in politics and especially in this government. Mycel powder. Tell me, why did Babush only choose you as the front runner for this CCP election as his candidate? Why not any other councillor? His close ones who were there in the last panel.
You ask any of the corporator to spell the word corporation from behind to front.
Corporation word from back to front. CORPORATION. So let me give a try. I'll just give a try. NIOTYXWQPR. Okay, Congress first said no to Babush. And then in later 2007, Congress gave ticket to Babush in 2007 for assembly.
It was a big mistake of Congress, and from that time it was a downfall of Congress. They never got majority. They had to rule always with coalition.
Are you not scared of Babush Montserrat?
Don't hit round the bush.
Hitting around the bush? Okay, Babush, okay. At least you should show some respect to Babush and Parrikar, on camera at least.
I can't do that.
Okay, how is that you are a common friend of 2 enemies, Babush and Parrikar?
I don't know. That you ask Babush and you ask Parrikar.
Yes, Dami Vizarbaja Renga. Best. Okay, now CCP is going to receive a magnanimous fund of 30 crores this year. So was all this thing going on for that funds only? या त्या फंड्सां खातीरूच ही इतली सगळी खटाटेप चलताली?
To some extent, yes.
To some extent कितें? CCP is yet to receive 50 crores of last year. And now this year they are going to receive 30 crores. म्हणजे पळया 50 crores plus 30 crores. Add केलेल्या 50 crores plus 30.
So 50 plus 30 is how much? 70 crores.
50 plus 30 is 70. Solid to just 5 minutes after you have been a mayor, and within 5 minutes you are saying 50 plus 30 70, 10 crore gayab in transit. This is how you are going to run CCP?
Nobody can point a finger to me.
Okay, you are going to run CCP in this manner. Nobody can point finger at me. Are you going to be a typical yes man type mayor? Yes man will be.
You can't be a yes man. You have to apply your mind and say yes.
Okay, you have to apply your mind. and you have to say yes, yes, and still you can't be termed as yes man. As we see, after becoming CCP mayor, Surendra Furtado has stopped giving his trademark broad smile. He has not even once mentioned his wife's important vote and has completely forgotten Ruth Furtad. There is no respect or concern left for Babush or Parrikar, and within 5 minutes उलेता 50 करोड प्लस 30 करोड हे 70 करोड असो हिशोब लावून 10 करोडाची गफलत केलेली असा. Within 5 minutes. Altogether, Surendra Furtado looks like a candidate of Babush panel but a mayor of Parivartan Sarkar. Remember, this is counterfeit and you are watching Just Imagine on Prudent. Thank you.
Just imagine.
इष्टानो, एप्रिल फूल हो माझं सगळ्यात आवडतं सण, हो उमेदीचा सण. या वर्षा एप्रिल फूल ही परा वडा उमेदीन आणि उत्साहान मनयली. प्ले स्पेशल ऑन एप्रिल फूल. ही ट्रिक त्याच जाग्यार फुडली 50 वर्सां सुद्दां करीत न्हू जाल्यार एवरी टायम ती क्लिक जातली, गॅरंटेड. जाणा आसतना लोक रावन रावन पाकिटाक हात घालपाक वयतात. इश्टानो, आमच्या पिशापणाक कसलीच मर्यादा ना, कसलेच लिमीट ना. कारण तुम्ही पळयतात सध्या जस्ट इमॅजिन ऑन प्रुडंट, आणि आतां हांव घेता एक बारीकसो विसव. मेळोया विसवा उपरांत.
Just imagine.